So did you guess it? If you guessed Tanner's Falls, you're right again. This is called Tanner's Falls because of the tanneries that used to be here. It feeds into the Dyberry Creek, which goes all the way down to Honesdale and eventually meets up with the Waterfall River. Have you ever been here? Let me know in the comments. And that's it for this week's Where Am I Wednesday. See you next Wednesday. So did you spot the bear in the video? He makes an appearance every week. Comment below and let me know where you saw him.